Oh, lightning!
They met and talked for the first time before the 2016 Avalanche Red Wings alumni game, and the past was left alone. Even the pair that combined to spark it all had moved on to just appreciate it for what...
Storm damage. Look at all that. Yeah, I didn't think North Haven got that much of it, but I guess I'm wrong. Wow. I bet I'm gonna move gradually north as the day goes on. This is gonna probably look.
Two teams made up of some of the most talented hockey players in the world, pushing each other to be better. The beat was special and the hatred was real, making it one of the most unforgettable hockey rivalries of all time. Thanks for watching Beat History. I couldn't have made this video without Adrian Bader's book, Collect You. It's incredible.
Oh, we got power lines here too. Jeez.
So a little while ago, I posted a video called My Worst Real Estate Deal Ever, where I showed you guys a bunch of mistakes that I made. In this video, I want to take you through a property that just been vacant, the lease just expired, which is a much better deal. Now, this isn't really my best deal, but it's a very good one. I want to show you some things that you should do.
Holy shit. I'm going to leave the radio off. Wow. Hopefully I don't snag any... What the fuck? Look at all this. I should have taken Route 5 up instead of taking this way. Guess we can keep going. If they're... Oh, hell no. Yeah, I'm not doing that. This is as close as I can get. Shit. I'm going to go all the way down and around. You know, I should have taken Route 5. Oh, be smart. Don't be a retard. Yes, I know I need new brakes. This is gonna suck. Yeah, there's no getting through that way. Okay, now I gotta wait for these guys to get by. Alright, now I gotta go back through. Maybe I should not have ignored all the cones on the damn street. Oh, that house got damaged. Tarp on that roof.